This is not another basic pasta bake. This is a 5-minute prep, 1-pan dinner that tastes just like a $30 bistro meal, but stays strictly on a budget. Let's face it, at the end of a long day, you want 3 things: incredible food, 0 dishes, and something that doesn't blow your grocery budget away. That's why today we're making the delicious dump and go Boursin pasta. No boiling water, no extra pots, just hearty kielbasa, sun-dried tomatoes, and a whole block of garlic and herb cheese. We're measuring our spices with our hearts today to get that maximum flavor with the minimal mess. You're watching Nom on a Budget. Let's get cooking. First things first, crank that oven up to 425 degrees. We want it hot and ready, Little Caesar style. Grab a box of ditalini pasta, which is just Italian for teeny tiny tubes, and dump the whole box in. No boiling, no waiting, just straight from box to dish. Easy peasy. In goes the liquid gold. We're adding 3 full cups of chicken broth, or as I like to say, just enough to give every single noodle a little blanket. They're gonna soak up all that savory goodness and get perfectly tender right in the oven. Next up, the star of the show. We're taking a full pound of kielbasa, and listen, if you want to use turkey kielbasa to be good, go for it. But the full fat version is where the party's at. Slice these into nice thick coins because we want a meaty bite every single time. Look at that. Now just scatter those beautiful rounds on the top of the pasta. Don't worry about being neat. This is a dump and bake, not a fine art gallery. Alright, and for the piece de resistance, plop the entire container of garlic and herb boursin right in the dead center. It's like a little savory island in a sea of pasta. Next, we're bringing in the aromatics. Take half of a red onion and give it a nice quick dice. Look at that gorgeous purple. That's the color of flavor, people. Now just scatter those right on top. They're gonna soften up in the oven, and that'll add that perfect little punch to every single bite. Now, we're bringing in the big guns, garlic. I'm dropping in half a tablespoon of the minced stuff, because let's be honest, we measure garlic with our souls in the kitchen. Just plop it right on top there and let the aroma start working its magic. Now, we're dropping in half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. These are like little flavor bombs. They got concentrated sweetness that's gonna cut right through the creamy boursin. Just scatter them around, don't be stingy, because every bite needs a little bit of that red golden goodness. Time for the herbs. We're going in with 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, the everything in one blend. Just sprinkle it all over the top like savory confetti. It's gonna do all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. And because we're fancy but on a budget, we're hitting it with half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Give it a good sprinkle. It's that classic earthy vibe that makes the whole kitchen smell like a 5-star restaurant. And for the grand finale, a quick 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Just a little bite of that sharp, peppery bite to wake everything up. This is the last piece of our flavor puzzle, people. We are seasoned and we are ready, and it's starting to officially look like a masterpiece. Now we're going in with the greens. Grab 3 big mountain-sized handfuls of fresh baby spinach and carpet it right on the top of the dish. I know it looks like a literal forest now, but trust me, this is going to wilt down to nothing but pure silky goodness in that oven. Now we gotta lock in that liquid gold. Grab your foil and cover the dish tighter than your favorite pair of jeans after Thanksgiving. We want that steam trapped inside so those teeny tiny noodles get perfectly tender. Into the oven at 425 for exactly 30 minutes. Once that timer dings, get it out of there. The big reveal. Peel that foil back and oh, look at that steam. Now grab your spoon and get in there for the big mix. We're breaking up that block of boursin and turning it into the creamiest, dreamiest sauce you ever seen. Once every noodle is coated in that garlic and herb heaven, we're sliding it back in for a quick 5 to 10 minute tan to let those flavors really get to know each other. Look at that creamy, dreamy masterpiece. It's officially ready to plate up and devour. If you're loving how easy this is, hit that like button and subscribe to the family. But don't go anywhere. I'm about to do a taste test. And I've got a full list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions coming up so you can make this at home. All right, I got it right here. Let's give it a try. Oh man, that was incredible. You get the sweetness from the sun-dried tomatoes, that smoky kick from the sausage, and because we didn't boil the noodles separately, the pasta soaks up all of that chicken broth and garlic flavor. It tastes like you spent hours cooking this, but we all know it only took about 5 minutes of prep work. This is officially a nom on a budget staple. It's creamy, high protein, and it's actually affordable to feed the whole family. If you're looking for more ways to eat like royalty on a budget, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one pan wonder. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.